Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all good and doing well in your studies. Today you are going to learn about COVID-19. The first MCQs is, what does COVID-19 stand for? Option A, it's a term for coronavirus disease 19 because it's the ninth strain of coronavirus discovered. Option B, it's a term that stands for coronavirus disease 2019, the year it was first identified. The correct option is B. The new type of coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, has been found to cause what we all now call COVID-19. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in December 2019. A vaccine stimulates our immune system to produce antibodies like it would if you were exposed to the virus. The correct option is true. Vaccines contain the same germs that cause disease, but in a weakened or inactivated form, according to the CDC. The vaccine stimulates your immune system so that after getting vaccinated, you develop immunity to that disease without having to get the disease first. Third MCQs is, the virus is mutating rapidly. Options are true and false. The correct option is false. The virus is mutating periodically. Next MCQs is, how does weather seems to affect the novel coronavirus? The options are, the virus can't survive in hot, humid climates. Cold temperatures can kill the virus. It is not yet known. The correct option is C. It is not yet known. According to the CDC, it is not yet known whether temperature and weather has any effect on the spread and behavior of the COVID-19. Currently, which group has had more severe effects of COVID-19? Men or women? The correct option is men. At this time, studies have shown that men tend to be more seriously impacted by the novel coronavirus. The next MCQs is, COVID-19 has currently been detected in all 7 continents. The correct option is false. According to the CDC, COVID-19 has been detected in Africa, the America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, but not in Antarctica. So that's all about COVID-19. I hope you learned something new from these MCQs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more lectures. Thank you.